Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. We just harvested some kale, flowers from the kale, and we're going to use that in our salads, and that is absolutely wonderful. Dude, aren't they perfect? Do you see any blemishes or anything wrong with these plants for you not to want to eat it? They're perfect in every way. So what we're going to do today is that we've already picked over a pound of lettuce. We picked some kale. I like the buds in my salad. And now I'm going to pick some chives. Chives are overdue. They're long overdue. They should have harvested these things a long time ago. Normally a planter like this can deliver between 3 and 5 pounds of chives. You simply cut them down, they grow back. Cut them down, they grow back. You can see some of these are coming to bud, and I'm going to pull these right off because I want, oh gosh, I want these in my mill. I want the flowers to top off my mill. Beautiful. Isn't that beautiful, guys? That is so beautiful. That's Torpedopot. It grows your food for you with no human intervention. All you do is put your seeds in a planter, put your plants in this planter, and it literally grows your food for you. Oh my God. Just gonna light up my meal. It's gonna taste really good. So I think I got enough flowers to top it off. They've added spiciness to my salad, which is so delicious. We're growing so many different things, but these are just Torpedopots, guys. Self-growing planters. All you do is put your plants in a planter, put your seeds in a planter, and they grow your food for you. And they grow perfect all the time. You don't see any blemishes on my plants. And I don't have to use synthetic fertilizers. You're guaranteed to have food for the rest of your life in a Torpedopot. Nothing's stopping you from eating, only you. You put your seeds in that planter, put your plants in a planter, that knob right there, you turn that knob, you'll walk away. We supplement maybe once a week or twice a week. Maybe I pulled a couple of weeds out of this planter. I don't see any weeds in there right now, but it's doing pretty fine. I love this, man. This is a gift. So what I'm going to have my chives. I'm going to have my kale heads, the flowers. I got lettuce in there. I've got celery going. I would throw some other stuff in there like radish, some of the other stuff, but now I'm going to keep this really nice. I like my salad the way it is. We're going to wash them off. All right, Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we make self-growing planters that grow your food for you, and you will never, ever have a problem with food again in your life. Talk to you guys later. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.